Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your soulmate, your twin flame reading for January 2021. Sorry, I was adjusting my camera. So, yeah, now it's adjust. Okay, please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. Gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. And if you have already subscribed it, then thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius soulmate twin flame reading. Please. Okay, the two cards I have got it. So the first card which I got for you is by the book and the leg up. So you're accepting the things, Aquarius, by the book, by the rules, that yes, there are some cultural differences and the things which are different, and I accept the people and things as they are. And there is someone around you who is requiring help, or you are requiring help, Aquarius. So there is one leg up. There is exchanging gifts. Imagine. Truth to be told. Higher power. As you know that you are getting more aware, your spiritual awakening is happening, so you are more connected to your higher power, okay, your divine, your higher self, Aquarius. There is something in which you have to say your truth. And then there is imagine, that means manifestation. Let me read it out more so that you can get the complete message from this. Yeah, right, turning imagination into manifestation, creative thought, visualization, the power of aligning imaginary and feelings, creativity, illusions. Okay, then there is exchanging gifts here. So there may be exchanging gifts happening around you. Okay, let me read it out for you too. Okay, the law of giving and receiving currency, trade-offs, waiting cause and determining value. Okay, let me see, is there any other message? Usually I take 5 cards from this deck, but today I do not know why. Wow. That's why I told you I do not know why I want today to take more cards. This was the reason. Okay. This was the reason. Okay. To the sea has come for you. Being in flow, returning to source, recognition, how pieces fit together, a natural pattern of events. There are points in relationship when you have to decide to go with the flow rather than dictate the course you share with another. Can you let go of the need to have things your way and allow the things and allow the relationship itself, your combined goals and desires to steer the ship? Can you both transcend your personalities and allow the partnership to form its own identity, its own energy? Now it's time to relax and see where this mutual journey leads. Okay? And there is an observer here. So just sit back and relax and let's see how the things will unfold and observe. Okay? Observer is here. There is a yin and yang today. This is the first time I'm getting yin and yang in a reading for you, Aquarius. So observer is here. Observe the things. Do not take any kind of any kind of steps. Just neutral observation from a distance, basically. So observe things from a neutral distance, basically. You observe the things, observe the relationship, not by judging it, not by thinking. Let the relationship unfold naturally. Okay. And there is yin and yang both here. This is the first time I'm having yin and yang both here. So you're dealing with your divine counterpart. Take time with, spend some time with them. Okay. This is yin and yang here. Let me see what are the messages. Wow, I just cut it out and the spiritual union is here. You're getting more connected to your higher power, Aquarius. You're getting more in your higher self. You are you are manifesting, basically, and you're creating your reality by imagining the things, because imagine is the first step for manifestation. There is something with some truth which has to be told either by your side or by your partner's side, and there is someone around you who is requiring help, or you require help, Aquarius. Okay, either you require help or someone else is requiring help. Then you are accepting things by the book, by the rules and regulations, that yes, the culture differences are here, so what to do, let's accept the things as they are. And that's very nice. Okay, that's very nice. There is something in which you are exchanging gifts with someone, receiving and giving the things. See, love begins is here. Love begins. Then there is Chariot. Beautiful energy. Trumpet. You're moving in a forward direction, and that's very good, as things are very, very beautiful, which I can see here. There is a soulmate. You both are divine counterparts, because there is a yin and yang. Both are here. There is a observer to the sea. That means you just has to relax and observe the things, how it is going on. Again, I'm having spiritual union, bottom of the deck. There is prosperity begins. There is material harvest. Beautiful. There is 7 of wands. Stand your ground. Okay, stand your ground, Aquarius. Beautiful things are coming for you. Let me see any other message. One minute. I can't be able to hold it. 1 minute. Can you give me any other message? Okay. So Aquarius, bottom of the deck, I'm having recognition and the rewards. Whatever heartache and loss was there in the past, that will going to soon wipe out as you become more aware. Awareness is here. Okay. So it's okay, the heartache and loss, whatever was happened, it's okay. Because of that, you're becoming more aware, you're converting into more in your higher power. I do not know whether it's visible or not. Okay, let me see. Is it visible? Yeah, you're connected to the higher powers now. Okay, getting more aware than before. Awareness is here. So that's the message from this deck. There is a lot of 1 11 1 and 11 I can see here. Then 7, there is a lot of 1 and lot of 7s, and this is beautiful. Just sit back and relax. If you are having a new relationship, give that relationship time to unfold naturally, because it takes time. Okay, Yin and yang both are here. So let me see more. Let me see what are the messages from answers angels. Okay, angels answers. Let me see. Let me see what are the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading. Give me the messages. Give me the messages. See, either you are requiring help, Aquarius, because there are helpful people who are there around you. Okay, you just need to ask help. If you think that you're requiring any help, then there are helpful people around you. Okay, there are helpful people around you, and there is reconsider. I don't know whether for whom this message is. Bottom of the deck I'm having, it's up to you. It's up to you. Reconsider. There is something in which you have to reconsider. So reconsider once more, Aquarius, and something, you know better your story, but there is something in which you can reconsider. Any other message for Aquarius soulmate reading? Wow. There is an opportunity which is coming for you. There are an opportunity which is coming for you. There is peaceful resolution. Okay, that's why there is bottom of the deck I'm having yes. And this is confirm yes. Okay, peaceful resolution. This is a specific message for someone. I do not know for whom, but they will listen, I know, because this is the specific message. Peaceful resolution is here, because here I'm having reconsider it, Aquarius, because there is a peaceful reconciliation which is happening. See, yes, and bottom of the deck I'm having romance. Yes, and romance. So in your love life, in your romance life, there is something in which you have to reconsider one more time, because there is a peaceful resolution which is happening here. Okay, and there is complete yes from the angels. Any other message for Aquarius soulmate reading? Listen to your intuition, Aquarius. Listen to your intuition. They are saying that you have to listen to your intuition. Any other message? See, you are requiring help. See, that's why. Ask for help from others. A leg up. Aquarius, if you're requiring any kind of help, you can ask for help from others, because they are helpful people around you. If you want to share with me and want to discuss with me, you can have a talk with me in the comment section. Okay, I can help you. I will try my level best to help you out, and I will help you out if you want any kind of help. Okay, so ask for help from others. They are helpful people around you. There is a leg up, so there is someone in who is requiring help. You are requiring help, Aquarius, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, helpful people are there to help you out. Ask for help from others, and there is a year from now. Okay, there is something in which they will take a year from now. Any other message? Beautiful. Again, it is romance, and yes, it has come again for you. There is a romance and there is a yes. and there is big happy changes which are coming for you, Aquarius. Big happy changes which are coming for you. Look for a sign and get more information. There may be on which you are looking for a sign, so look for a sign and get more information on it. 1515 was the recording reading time. Listen to your intuition, Aquarius, as you are in your higher power. Okay, so listen to your intuitions. You are connected to the divine. Listen to your intuitions. Oh wow, I like it. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Aquarius soulmate twin flame reading. Give me the messages to my Aquarius soulmate reading. What are the messages for my Aquarius soulmate twin flame reading? New relationship is there. This is the new current relationship, new relationship in which you have to put effort and time, Aquarius. This is distant origins. The ships are coming. A new relationship is here. A courtship card is here. So this is a new romantic connection. Okay, so you have to take care. Spend some more time with your divine counterpart. Okay, with your partner. There is sudden wealth. 1 minute. Okay, then there is sudden wealth which is coming for you. Some kind of sudden wealth will happen for you. Usually I don't do career readings. Career or finance readings, but here I can see that sudden wealth is coming for you, Aquarius, and this is the new relationship, new romantic relationship in which you have to give time, love, spend some more time with your soulmate, with your twin flame. Okay, then there is child here. So Aquarius, you have to heal your inner child. Okay, there is a healing and you have to heal your inner child. Any other message for Aquarius soulmate reading? You are a privileged lady. Okay, this is a privileged lady. So yes, you are a privileged lady. Any other message? Wow. There is a mature man here. Privileged lady and a mature man. Okay. There is a mature man and a privileged lady. Maybe you have a mature man around you. Okay. There is a age difference between these two persons. Can you see? There is a age difference. Huge age difference. Or this child can be a card that some of you Aquarius are having child with this person. That can be a possibility. Okay. But you have to heal your inner child. There is a marriage here involved. So you are getting married to this mature man. You're a privileged lady, mature man, and there is a marriage. So either you are getting married to this mature man or you are getting married to this any other one. But marriage is here. So you are getting marriage. Family room. Make more space, Aquarius, a private time. Any other message for Aquarius? Occupation, high honor and wealthy man. From your occupation, in your occupation, Aquarius, you're getting success, high honor, recognition, and there is a wealthy man here again. So that wealthy man maybe help you out in getting this high honor, or you will be a wealthy man with this occupation and by getting your high honor. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much. But marriage is indicated here. And some of you Aquarius are starting a new relationship, so you have to spend some more time with them. Let's add some messages from the tarot. What are the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading, twin flame reading? Give me the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading? What are the messages for Aquarius soulmate twin flame reading? Nine of Cups. What are the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading? Knight of Wands. Hangman. Why I getting Hangman for your reading, Aquarius? In your main reading too, there was a Hangman. Okay. What are the messages for Aquarius? King of Swords. What are the messages for Aquarius soulmate twin flame reading? Please help me out. Any other message? This is your soulmate Aquarius and you are holding back from someone. The Queen of Wands, Four of Wands, Six of Cups. This is someone from your past who is very passionate, attractive towards you. This is your soulmate. They are rushing towards you. Okay, they are rushing towards you. Knight of Swords is here. So they are rushing towards you. But you are holding back. There is something in which you are... There is something in which there is... This is your wish fulfillment. Okay, you want your wish fulfillment and there is a wish fulfillment. There is very fiery, passionate beginning here, but still you're feeling like an hangman. Still you're feeling very hangman because you are holding back, and that's the main theme I am getting for you in your main reading too. King of Swords, Eight of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. Emotionally you are detached basically. You're putting lots of efforts. Can you see maybe in the previous relationship, or you had put a lot of efforts, time, energy in the relationship. Now you are holding back yourself. Four of Pentacles is here. You're holding back. Any other message for Aquarius soulmate reading? Is there any other message? See, too many cards. Five of Cups, Queen of Swords, Devil, Empress, Magician, Judgment and Knight of Cups. Yeah, right. Okay. Okay. Someone from your past is coming back. They are very sad. They are very sad, Aquarius. That's why this is Eight of Pentacles is here. That's why you are feeling hang, because in your relationship with whom you are connected with, okay, there was someone around you who was not good for you basically. Can you see that was devil is attached to that person? There was some kind of toxicity which was attached with this person, but this is your divine counterpart, because here I'm having Queen of Swords again here, the King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Okay, and they were also feeling very sad, remorse, guilt on those things which has happened already in the past. Okay, they see you as an empress. They see you as an empress. See, they see you as an empress and you are manifesting something. And what are you manifesting? You're manifesting your love, and that's the Judgment. You're getting it. You're getting your manifestation. Loyal, romantic, love connection, romance. Okay. Very caring, nurturing, loyal one. But someone from your past is coming back, and that's your soulmate. They're rushing towards you. They're not happy without you, but devil is attached to this person. Okay, there is some kind of toxicity which is there. Can you tell me why there is devil? Please help me out to clarify why there is devil. See, Queen of Swords again has come, and the Queen of Swords is here. Why the devil is attached? Can you clarify me, please? Why there is devil attached to this Queen of Swords? There is something very toxic which is attached to this person. Maybe they're obsessed, controlling. That can be anything. Okay. Okay. That was a reason. See, bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Wands. This is a confirmation. This is your divine counterpart. Here I'm having Queen of Wands. This is them and this is you. King of Wands and Queen of Wands. See, you getting your clarity. You're rising as an Empress. See. They see you as an Empress. Right now you are single, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. There is someone from your past which is coming back. Okay. Now they see your worth basically. They see you as an Empress. Okay. And what has fallen out is 3 of Cups and 7 of Cups. They were exploring other options other than you basically. They were non-committed. That's why there is Knight of Wands here too. Okay, that's the reason. That's the toxicity which is attached to this person. And they're very sad about the things which has happened in the past, Aquarius. There were third party situation going on in the past. They were exploring other options other than you. They were keeping their options open. They were not committed to you at all. But now they see you as someone who is an Empress. They see you someone who is very nurturing, very caring. And they want to come back. They want to come back. But you are holding back from them. There is 4 of Pentacles. Yeah. So, but this is your divine counterpart. Okay. So yes, this was the message from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from the Divine Energy Oracle deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius soulmate reading? Give me the message which are important to deliver. Refine your attention. Okay, refine your attention, Aquarius. Refine your attention. Say no, take the lead. You have to take the lead, and there is something in which you have to say no. Okay, take the lead, say no. Embrace your power. Embrace your power. Reflect on your truth. Make no judgments. Make no judgments, reflect on your truth. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from Twin Flame Oracle deck for Aquarius soulmate twin flame reading. Give me the messages which are important to deliver to my lovely beautiful magical beings. And it just... Okay. Okay, while shuffling also it just fell out. Okay, I'm taking it because my intuition is saying to take. Family lineage, ancestral karma energy in focus. So this is a family lineage, ancestral karma that is in focus right now. Okay, you can clear it out, ancestral energies or any blockages. Then there is wholeness, balancing feminine and masculine energy. Okay, Aquarius, balancing masculine and feminine energy. Make a choice, sending mixed signal to the universe. You are sending mixed signals to the universe, so that's why they are unable to send your twin flame, Aquarius. Send a clear signal to the universe so that they can send you what you want. Okay, so make a choice basically. Take a break, replenish your reserves to realign with positivity. Take a break, you need a break, so retake a break. Twin flame star seeds, your soul origin twin flame birth. Okay, today only I have used the star seed oracle deck. I do not know why, but yes, you are a twin flame star seeds. Okay, your soul's origin twin flame birth. Beautiful. Awakening, become conscious of the soul's infinite light. Very true, Aquarius, very true, because I told you you are in awakening process. So here it is, you are getting more connected to your higher power, and here it is one more confirmation that you're getting awakening here. Okay, awakening is happening here. You're becoming more conscious about your soul's light path. See, rising into soul's light, setting old limitations. Ascension period is happening. Awakening is happening. You're getting more awakening. Why? What is happening today? Okay. What are the messages? Is there any other message for Aquarius soulmate twin flame reading? You just nothing to worry about. All is well. You need not to fear at all. Okay. Nothing to worry at all. Any other message? Self-love is indicated, so love yourself, Aquarius. Self-love is here. There is chakra balancing, power of color and energy flow. You have to balance your chakras. Maybe there is a blockage in your chakra, so you have to balance your chakra. Okay, chakra balancing is here. Then there is past life karma. Current challenges relates to old wounds. Okay, there is a past life karma which is here. So these challenges are because there are old wounds. Any other message? Learning and studying, we are bringing information to benefit you. Okay, there is intuitive, highly sensitive. Listen to your subtle systems. Okay, subtitle system message. Intuitive messages are coming towards you. Physical meeting imminent. Rejoice, you are drawing closer. Energy clearing, cleansing your system to open to positivity. Cleansing energy is here. Clean your energy, Aquarius. Energy cleansing is here. Then there is gender roles. Current problems are reflecting negative human pattern. Okay. So these are the messages from Oracle deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from soul lesson. What soul lesson do you need to learn while this life journey, Aquarius? Let's add one soul lesson which you need to learn. Guilt. I release any belief that no longer assists in my soul's growth. So you need to learn the soul lesson of guilt. Okay. Let me see what are the messages from. Thank you so much, soul lesson card, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. What are the messages from life purpose oracle deck? Let's see what are the life purpose of you and your soulmate, your twin flame is having in this life journey. Okay, let's see what are the life purpose. What is the life purpose of Aquarius and their twin flame soulmate is having in this life journey? And there are too many. Okay. Justice. Your career bring fairness and protection to others who need your help. You can be a lawyer or justice, someone who brings justice. So that can be a justice here. Okay. Maybe you are in police or something here. 1818 was the recording reading time. Then there is speaker. Your life purpose involves your skills of oration. Okay. So you or your twin flame, your soulmate can be a speaker. That can be a life purpose of you and them. Then there is leadership. They take charge of this situation. Take charge of this situation. Then there is books. You connect to your life purpose through your involvement with books. So books are important part in your life purpose. Okay. There is family. Loving your friends and family is central to your life purpose. So family is a life purpose in your life purpose. Okay. Life purpose. Okay. Family is important in your life purpose. Okay. Then there is author. You have a book inside of you that wishes to be expressed. Make the time to write it. So you or your twin flame can be an author. That can be a life purpose. Then there is writing. You heal, inspire, teach, and entertain with the words you write. So you can be a writer writing your, because you or your twin flame or soulmate, because this is here. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the Power of Surrender deck. Let's add one or two message. What thing you need to surrender, and okay, let's see what are the messages. Let's see what is the thing which Aquarius has to surrender for soulmate twin flame reading. There are three. Okay. Surrender the drama. No matter how emotionally charged the situation, remain calm and don't contribute to the drama. Staying centered will help resolve the issue more quickly. That's the message for you, Aquarius. Surrender the drama. Then there is surrender to prayer. Give yourself over completely to prayer. When you pray from your heart, you will be heard throughout the universe. An answer and support will arrive. Okay. So surrender to the prayer. Then there is surrender to inner peace. Cultivate inner peace on a daily basis. In quiet meditative moments, focus on the stillness within and enjoy this inner refuge. Other will feel your good vibes too, and your life will flow more easily. So surrender to your inner peace. Thank you so much, Power of Surrender deck, for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add one or two cards from Power of Activation Oracle deck. And let's see what are the messages. What is the thing which you need to activate? Okay. 3 cards. Willingness. You are able to compromise if the end result is love. Okay, so willingness is here. Then there is individuality. You leave your unique stamp of love on everything you do. Okay. There is an ownership. You acknowledge your misdeeds and accomplishments alike and learn to love them all as lessons. So ownership is here. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much, Power of Activation Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what your soulmate or your twin flame wants to say to you. Okay. I'm here to give you messages, what they want to tell you. Okay. Let's see. What are the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading? Give me the messages for Aquarius from their soulmate, from their twin flame. Okay. I choose you. My whole heart will be yours forever. This is a beautiful start to a lifelong love letter. That's the message from your soulmate. You are the sun in my day, the wind in my sky, the waves in my ocean, and the beat in my heart. I love you. Beautiful message from your soulmate. I love you. Okay. You excite me, delight me, ignite me. I love you. Okay, that's what they want to say you. Then they want to say you that you plus me is equal to CCE. Cutest couple ever. Okay. Then there is, when you see a falling star tonight, make a wish, it will come true because I wished and I found you. Wow, how beautiful and lovely these messages are. I love the messages, Aquarius. These are very beautiful messages. Okay, let me see more what they want to say to you. What are the messages for Aquarius from their soulmate twin flame reading? Okay. They want to say you that you are funny, Aquarius. You are very funny. You are funny. That's what they want to tell you. You are very forgiving. Okay. You make me a positive person. You make me secure. You are dedicated in our relationship. You are always there when I need you. You are always there when I need you. You respect my family. So these are the things which they want to tell you. Okay, let me see one more time. Any other message for Aquarius? I just feel that there is more. I do not know why. Maybe there is. Okay. Any other message for Aquarius from their soulmate? I love you more than words can define, feelings can express, and thoughts can imagine. Beautiful. Beautiful message. I love you more than words can define, feelings can express, and thoughts can imagine. That's what they want to tell you, Aquarius. Beautiful messages from your soulmate, from your twin flame. So this was your soulmate twin flame reading for January 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius. Okay, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and light and happiness to all my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. See you soon, Aquarius.